All right. This is part two. In part one, I explained how you can't pop this off. Unless somebody else has something in there, these clips, let me know what I did wrong. But I could not get those clips to separate for the life of me. They're part of the bigger substructure down here. It's molded, and I probably could have got it with maybe a multi-tool or something. But I thought that I would be destroying stuff. Anyway, I was concerned I couldn't get this off without breaking it because there's no way to get it from the back. But I found that if you just pry very carefully up on this, and this is loose, you can shove a little pen light in there to help make a little wedge. And be careful, because that will break. I just know it will. And you see all these little tabs sticking down. Well, I pried on the one to the far right and then worked my way around to the left. And boom. Okay, we're both seeing this for the first time. There it is. So there's spade connectors. I'll carefully extract those guys and then continue on my journey to disassemble this thing and build one good side view mirror out of two broken ones. That's all I got for now.